Gray hair styling tips you'll love. Avoid these mistakes for gorgeous silver locks. So you've embraced your gray hair. Congratulations. Going gray is a bold and beautiful choice, but it can feel like uncharted territory. If you've ever felt unsure about how to style or care for your silver strands, you're not alone. The good news? A little knowledge goes a long way. Today, I'm sharing gray hair mistakes you definitely want to avoid, along with tips that will leave you looking radiant and confident. Stick around because there's a bonus tip at the end that might just change how you see your gray hair journey. 1. Skipping moisture treatments. Gray hair tends to be drier than pigmented hair, which means it's more prone to breakage and frizz. One of the biggest mistakes women make is assuming that their regular hair care routine will work for their gray locks. Take it from my friend Claire, a former hair dye devotee. When she stopped coloring her hair, she noticed her grays were brittle and lacked shine. She started using a weekly deep conditioning treatment, and the change was dramatic. Her hair became softer, smoother, and more manageable. Tip: incorporate a hydrating hair mask or oil treatment into your routine once a week. Look for products with nourishing ingredients like argan oil, shea butter, or keratin. 2. Forgetting about scalp care. Your scalp is the foundation of your hair, but many women overlook its importance, especially as they go gray. An unhealthy scalp can lead to dull, lifeless strands and even hair thinning. Rita, one of my clients, struggled with dry, flaky patches on her scalp after transitioning to gray hair. By switching to a gentle scalp scrub and massaging her scalp regularly, she noticed not only healthier hair growth, but also a noticeable shine to her silver locks. Tip: use a scalp scrub or clarifying shampoo once a month to remove buildup and keep your scalp healthy. Regular massages with lightweight oils can also improve circulation and promote growth. 3. Overstyling with heat. Let's face it, heat tools can be tempting, but overusing blow dryers, flat irons, or curling wands can leave gray hair looking fried and lifeless. The mistake isn't using them, it's using them too often or without protection. My friend Ellen used to flat iron her gray hair every morning, only to notice it becoming dry and brittle. Once she switched to air drying a few days a week and used a heat protectant when styling, her hair regained its softness and shine. Tip: embrace air drying whenever possible, and always apply a heat protectant before using any hot tools. If you must style frequently, consider investing in ceramic tools with adjustable temperature settings. 4. Ignoring hair density changes. It's no secret that hair can become thinner as we age. One mistake women make is holding on to heavy hairstyles that no longer complement their changing hair density. Sandra, a busy professional, loved her thick, blunt-cut bob in her 40s. But as her hair started thinning in her 60s, the style made her hair look flat and lifeless. Switching to a layered cut gave her hair a fuller, more dynamic look. Tip: if your hair is thinning, consider styles that add volume, like layered cuts or soft waves. Talk to your stylist about texturizing techniques that enhance fullness. 5. Overlooking the importance of shine. Gray hair has a unique beauty, but it can sometimes lack the natural luster of pigmented hair. One mistake many women make is skipping products designed to enhance shine. Carol, a proud silver-haired grandmother, noticed her hair looked dull despite being healthy. Her stylist recommended a lightweight shine serum, and the results were instant. Her hair looked radiant and silky without feeling greasy. Tip: use a silicone-free shine spray or serum to add gloss without weighing your hair down. Products with light-reflecting properties can make your gray hair look luminous. 6. Wearing the wrong colors. Yes, we're talking wardrobe here. The colors you wore when you had darker hair might not work as well with your gray tones. Many women overlook how their clothing choices impact their overall look. Jennifer, a longtime fan of earth tones, realized her beige sweaters and khaki jackets washed her out once she went gray. After experimenting with jewel tones like sapphire and emerald, she was amazed at how much brighter and more vibrant she looked. Tip: add pops of color to your wardrobe with hues that complement your gray hair. Cool tones like blues, purples, and jewel shades can bring out the best in your silver strands. 7. Ignoring hair growth cycles. As we age, hair growth tends to slow down. And ignoring this change can lead to frustration when trying to grow out a specific style. Many women assume their hair isn't growing, but the real issue might be breakage or lack of care. Diane, who spent years trying to grow her hair past her shoulders, realized she wasn't addressing her hair's changing growth cycle. By incorporating scalp massages, biotin supplements, and regular trims to prevent split ends, she finally achieved her dream length. Tip: be patient with hair growth and focus on keeping your hair healthy from root to tip. Supplements and scalp care can support growth, but consistency is key. 8. Underestimating professional advice. With gray hair, you might think you can skip the salon, but professional advice is more valuable than ever. Stylists can offer insight into cuts, treatments, and techniques tailored to your unique hair type and lifestyle. Linda, who had always cut her own hair, decided to visit a stylist for the first time in years. The result? A sleek, layered look that brought out the best in her gray tones and gave her a confidence boost. Tip: treat yourself to a professional consultation. Even if you don't go regularly, a stylist can help you refine your look and maintain healthy hair. Bonus tip: treat your gray as a crown, not a compromise. Here's a game-changing perspective. Your gray hair isn't something you settle for. It's a crown that represents your strength, wisdom, and beauty. Celebrate it. Now, I want to hear from you. What's been the biggest challenge or joy of transitioning to gray hair? Share your story in the comments. Your journey might just inspire someone else to embrace their gray with pride.